just stopped filming the following sequence, but let me give you a 30-second intro. So it is a challenging sequence to be difficult for anyone, no matter how strong your abs, but you can stop halfway between each set, each exercise if you need to. And let me say, I detest abs in yoga class because one, normally they're way too easy, and two, they normally pull more on the lower back than actually working the abs. So they really don't give that great of a ab workout. Meanwhile, they're kind of throwing off the solar plexus with all the bicycle abs, which we will not be doing. So I hope you enjoy the set, and it can work for anyone, whether someone has lower back issues, an SI joint thing, or just a woman with a curvier booty. You can do this because I've designed it to be better for the lower back, but go with what your body needs and use hand placement wherever you need. And it's a Tantra yoga flow sequence, so we move more and flow more. It is made to be more meditative, moving with the breath, and that also makes the abs easier. So I hope you enjoy it and have fun. Begin by connecting in with your body, preparing. With this exercise, you are lifting one leg at a time. One leg will go up on the inhale and exhaling down, alternating. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Begin with me. At your own pace, your own rate. Toes will go pointed towards the sky, remaining pointed. The opposite leg will remain with the heel on the floor. And if you are able to, your knee will touch the floor as well. I am not able to do that. It is based upon anatomy. Trying to get your leg pointed towards the sky, 90 degrees, as straight as possible. Keeping the opposite heel on the ground. Going at your own pace. Later on, we will speed it up. You're not swinging your legs up. You are allowing your navel to draw them up, almost like there's a cord there, lifting, letting your abs assist in drawing your leg up. Inhaling and exhaling. Your shoulders staying flat on the floor. Keep up, keep going, letting the breath flow you. And the trick here is to use this as a moving meditation, a tantric meditation, flowing with the movement, moving your legs. Your navel center is a power center, offering you power, just like in martial arts, chi, lifting and lowering at your own pace. Keep up, keep going, and see if you can lift up your leg like it's being pulled by your navel. Lifting and lowering. And now, with less talking from me, using this as a guided meditation moving. Using your navel center to lift, lifting with the navel. Strong, engaged legs. If you have a mantra you would like to add in with the movement, then do so. It can be as simple as Om with each lift, or Sat, Nam, Sat inhale, Nam exhale. or Om Shanti, any mantra you like, maybe even something in English, like I am fantastic. I am peaceful. I can do this. I can get through these abs. Keep up a little more. If you absolutely have to, then you can take a break here only if your back is bothering you or you're super tired, but I think you can do this. This is the longest exercise. From here on out, it gets a little easier, a lot shorter. You're almost there. Just a little more. Tune into how you are feeling, and I bet your hamstrings are feeling fantastic to be stretched out, moved out, navel engaged. How is your energy feeling? Now pick up the pace, lifting your legs a little bit faster, going with your breath. Final minute now. 2 more. 1 and 2. You're done. Great job. Relax on your back. Bend your knees if you need to. Roll side to side, windmill. Roll on your lower back, your sacrum, triangle area. Next exercise, lifting your legs to 60 degrees, using your navel to draw them in. Inhaling, stretching open. Exhaling, pulling in. Using your navel center. Loving your knees. Expanding. We are halfway through, just a little bit longer. Perhaps you want to slow the pace down, exhaling and inhaling, slowing it down for this last little bit. Final 20 seconds. And hugging your knees in, you are done. Leg lifts. Go ahead and tuck your hands underneath, stable base. And we will be lifting legs up, toes pointed the entire time. Just barely touching your heels to the floor. Lifting up on the inhale. Exhale, they go down. Begin with me. Legs straight, not bent. Take a break here if you need to. More seconds. Hold your legs up, stop, lower your legs, relax. Try placing your hands over your navel for your break. Boat pose. Lifting up, modification, knees bent the entire time. Now pick a spot to hold behind knees, ankles, feet. Look at the 2 videos on the screen for the different options. Holding once you find your spot. Less than a minute here. You can grab higher on your feet if you desire. If your knees are bent the whole time, then that's great. Focusing on the abs, strengthening your abs, balancing. Gaze upwards. If you're in the high position, then squeezing in all the way, forehead to shin, squeezing. Now we're preparing to slowly let go. Hug your knees in. Relax down on your back, preparing to turn over. Final exercise, lying on your stomach. Palms down, lift up, legs up, chest up. Looking forwards, arms up, tightening your back, feeling your back work. Smiling. This is one of the best lower back exercises. Feel it work, feel the lower back, upper back, lift higher. So great for SI joint, lower back, and relax. Relax, relax. Slowly go back into child's pose, briefly stretching. And then lie flat on your back. Relax. Bend in your knees and rock side to side over your lower back, sacrum. We are done with abs. Move around any you need. Slowly come onto hands and knees, maybe child's pose, or just stretch your back, and then into downward dog. Holding downward dog, not moving around, feeling a full downward dog benefits here. And then walking in, hands and feet, dangling, grabbing your elbows, just relaxing ragdoll. When you're ready, come seated down. You are done. Thank you.